guys, welcome to a new video, and in this video I will be showing you how to install shaders on a Mac. So what you want to do is you want to open your Google and then you want to go and type in Java and then click on Java or Oracle. Then press this and then agree and start free download. It will take a few seconds, but then you will have this. Then put that out. Double click that when you're on a Mac or a Windows 10. Then let me do something quickly. Okay, there we go. So press install. Enter your password. Press OK or click OK when. Okay, you have. It should say you have successfully installed Java 8 Update 291. Just close that up there. Then open your Google and then search for Optifine.net. You can also use Firefox. It's okay. Then go on Downloads, then Mirror, and then download Optifine 1.16.5 HD UGA because it's good because you can. Because 1.17 update okay, let me just do that. When that shows up, just right click your mouse and we'll just say open. So install this. Optifine is successfully installed. Then go on your Minecraft and then you will see this version. So you want to go to your installation. That is not laggy. Put away all of your other installations and then press on play. This literally is good because it puts away all the bugs. So yeah, just put that out. So then open your Java exec and then let's look at some of Minecraft shaders. So let's do recommended shaders for Mac. It's just recommended shaders for Mac OS. Udo play shaders, users 10 votes, 20 votes, 14 votes. So let's just use CUDA shaders. Okay. CUDA shaders. Let's just open a new tab. CUDA shaders. CUDA shaders. This. Shaders, server shaders, complement Project Luma shaders. Project Luma shaders are also good shaders. So, yeah, download that. Download this maybe. I really actually don't know. Shader pack. Just Project Luma. I don't know how to download these. Sorry. me see. Source shaders. How do we download it? Press on that. Okay. Project. How do we get this? Let us just get Silder's Vibrant Shaders 1.16.5. Silver shaders. Installations and downloads. I think. Yeah. So light. Let's download the light version. It will do this to your computer. So just put that away. Actually just skip. Then download this. There you go. And then maybe some other shaders. So then Project Luma shaders 1.16.5. There you go. My shader pack customization. Shader pack. Download this. It's actually good. It's not a mod. It's not a mod, as you see. Don't open the zips, guys. Do not open the zips. Do not open the zips. I recommend that. So then what you want to do is you want to check your option. And when there says shaders, yeah, let me quality. Graphics fast, lighting off. Render distance 7 times. Okay, performance, smooth FPS on, fast render, off, standard rendering, default, optimize, fast mouse. Okay, let's get on the shaders folder. If you don't know how to do this, just click on that and then just drag them over on there, and then let's press on done. Let's open single player world. Single player is good. Then as you see, we have high FPS already. So yeah, let's go on video settings and let's go on shaders and project shaders. And when it loads fast, it means it's a good shader. So Project Luma will be pretty good because it loaded fast. Yep. It's not good. I don't have a so good graphic card, as you see right there. That is bad. Okay, then let's get. Oh, we're just getting 6 FPS, 6 frames per second. Okay, video settings, shaders folder, and let's put out Project Luma, and put Project Luma in the trash. Empty bin. Then we have Silder's Vibrant Shaders light. Oscillator 11 shaders is pretty good. Whoa. Whoa. Let's try this. Oh, we're just getting 11 frames per second. Let us. Do we have full screen on? It makes it a bit faster. I guess. Let's download some other, like, Sora. Cheaters. Okay, so CSL shaders, Mac. How do we even do this? So, best Mac shaders for Mac OS Big Sur. That's the Mac I have. Rudo Place shaders, CUDA shaders. Rudo Place shaders. Let's go Rudo Place shader pack. Rudo Place download shaders. Just don't do any of this. Just press skip. Download this. Whoa, that was really fast. That was actually pretty fast. Let's put this away. You see that ore right there? Why are ores flying? Gosh. Ores are just flying around. Slimes are not new. The wandering villagers are not new. Zombies are definitely not new. Pigs definitely not new. Villagers. You can. I forgot. Put that in there. Okay, done. Single player. New world. Yes. So I have pretty fast. Let us get this traders. Rudo plays. Rudo plays. So Rudo Blade Shaders actually are pretty good. Let's try better full screen resolution. This is pretty good. 30 FPS. Okay. Expanded a little to there. We're getting pretty good frames per second right here. This looks pretty cool. So I hope you enjoyed this video. That was it for the video. I hope you like this video and subscribe. That would help me a lot. And to the next video. Ciao.